remember having a college professor who warned us all on the first day of class, if you wait until the last minute, you're only going to have a minute to complete it. And for us, that matters at Natel. Why put off until tomorrow what you can do today? That's a motto of our production floor every single day. For us, budgeting is a way of life. We all are aware of what the numbers are at Natel, but by not having specific rigid budgets, we can make decisions significantly faster. We make decisions that are in the best interest of both presently, whether or not it's going to impact the customer positively, but also looking into the future. These are things like capital expenditures on new equipment, on specific initiatives that we've got to make ourselves more efficient. We make decisions quickly. We can make decisions faster and in the best interest of our customers.
Budget is always waste of money because we do the budget and everything change afterwards. So I hear about companies spending 3 months by the end of the year just to create this budget. And sometimes we create 5 years budget, 10 years budget. And the fact that within the year everything changed and you have to redo it again and you have to redo it again. And we always in Natel look at how much time, how much it takes to get things done, how much value you get out of it. It matters to Natel because we look at every value added. We try to be as lean as possible, where we don't add cost to ourselves and to our customer while it doesn't provide our customer with the value. It reduces their cost and it gets better service because our team really focusing on what they need, that provide our customer with better support and get our team at Natel to get the best for the customer.
Budgets are typically treated as if you don't use them, you lose them, so people find ways of using them even if it does not make sense. At Natel, we've always lived by this rule that if it is needed, we buy it. If it isn't, we don't. If you don't have budgets, you're not trying to abide by certain rules that you've set, certain limits you've set, and that's, in turn, money that's not wasted is money that's saved. Not having a budget at Natel just makes us so much quicker at being able to respond to customer needs. If a customer needs something or a project needs something, we can quickly make a decision, get an approval, and go buy what we need. Whereas if there was a budget, there's a long process. And if you didn't budget, you don't even get it, even though you have a need.
Most of the time, people spend a lot of money in September because that's the end of fiscal year. If we don't spend it next year, we won't get it. That is definitely wasting your money. When I was a young engineer, I used to visit customers, talk to them, and honestly, I can say that almost 70–80% of the time, I was in their offices. What are you working on? All day I work on budget. I don't have time for any design anymore. Basically, intellectual talent that we wasted. We took the best engineers and made them bad clerks. Have budgets, have general concept. At the same time, you cannot make it so rigid that you have to be 100% accurate about them. If your daughter needs shoes, your son gets sick, shoes are going to take no priority. We treat this company the same way. Eliminate waste, no matter in what form it is. Do not spend the money just because you have it in your pocket. Spend as needed. Do not waste no matter how much you have. By carefully managing our spends, we make amazing things happen.
When you rush, you make mistakes, and lives depend on us not making mistakes. That's why we focus on consistency and reliability.